Next one is sent in by a bunch of people. It's a singer, they say, looks like me.
Oh.
Yeah. And she's a woman. Her name is Gina Raven. Never heard of that? Don't look like me. All right. I'll try something here. Let me see it right there.
Nothing at all.
Same
tattoo. You know, if that was a Garfield tattoo instead of a star,
I might just leave this on.
I would. Yeah.
What up?
You look like you're in Small Faces.
Yeah, I look like I'm in a cool band.
Yeah.
Just for the summer.
Asshead, man. All right. Are you from Asshead?
Hey, aren't you the lead singer, Asshead?
Yeah. All right.
Do not try the brown Asshead. It's a Woodstock joke.
Hey, it's a new style. Asshead.
This one. No, the wig's off. Hey. I don't want that nickname sticking. I was with the wig of the character we were joking around
with.
with.
The character, it's a band. Yeah, forget it.
No, I'm not. That's not my nickname.
Gina.
No. This one's from Andy Day from West Lafayette, Indiana. He was watching the local news, noticed they were reporting from a pretty interesting location. Anal Park. This is very interesting. Interesting thing about Anal Park.
What's that?
Well, the front entrance was closed.
Really?
Yeah,
There's a lot of openings in Anal Park. That's the good thing about
You
it.
gotta go through the back.
You take that dirt road.
It's the #2 water park in
It's the
America.
#2 water park in the world? Oh, my gosh. You have to go through the back door to get in there, right?
That is correct.
That's where Asshead lives.
What's that? Asshead's performing. This Wednesday at 3 p.m.
Wednesday, yeah, 3
p.m.
p.m.
gig is the best gig you can
Yeah,
get there.
exactly.
Yeah.
In the BM. 3 in the BM.
No, p.m.
PM.
Not,
3 in the PM.
Not b.m.
Not BM.
No.
My mistake.
No problem.
Yeah. I'm just trying to learn.
There we go. Finally, this last screen grab was sent to us by Sue Gibb in Farmington Hills, Michigan. It's a review she saw of her local A&W restaurant.
Oh, I love A&W.
Do you ever? I love those
Love
things.
Teen Burger, Dad Burger, whatever.
They have one up in Lake George used to go to. It's great, good burgers. You get root beer floats.
And you could buy root beer in a gallon. Like when I was a kid, you could buy a gallon of root beer. It was great.
Yeah. It's amazing stuff. And here's a review of her restaurant, and there it is at the bottom. 4 stars. Good food, nice people. Crap my pants.
It's an Anal Park.
It's an Anal Park. That's all the time we have for Screen Grabs, everybody. If you have a funny screen grab, email it to us at screengrabs@tonightshow.com.